How to get Roblox on a school Chromebook. Now, the first things first is you'll have to do research for you to be able to have any of the proxy websites so that you can access and play Roblox on your school Chromebook. Now, just simply pull up your Chromebook browser, and I have these two specific proxy lists that I have research on my end. So all I have to do is to try on the first website first, which is going to be websitesball.com. So copy it and then paste it on your school Chromebook browser. Now, this specific site is not going to be available on all the country or region and where are you located. Now, all you have to do is maybe to use a VPN or just simply change your time zone and you are good to go to play with the Roblox. Now, the other side, the proxy site that we can try is going to be the websitesbridge.com. So simply paste it in on your school Chromebook browser. So it's actually the same thing, but it has a different URL. So again, if it's not accessible on your end, then you'll have to change your time zone and just simply close your school Chromebook browser and try to rerun the website again for you to be able to access it. So those are two specific sites based on my research on how you can play Roblox on a school Chromebook.